we need to earn some money on our traveling.
你好，我哋係港德製之二人
konGTak selfmade。Should be warm somewhere。
之前喺柏林嘅時候 ，SK 得接到一份 job， 2日可以有500歐元嘅收入。究竟做咩嘅呢？係咪呃人㗎？唔好問咁多啦，即刻出發！經過市中心嘅時候，見到呢部好得意嘅遊客觀光車啊！
Camping directly next to the construction site. Also, we need to earn some money on our traveling. So I have a little job here to it. I can show you. Follow me. The owner wanted to have a Tessiner pergola in the garden in order to have more shade. After we choose which logs goes where, we need to measure where the upright steels need to stand to make sure it's a square. I use an old Greece invented technique. It's called theorem of Pythagoras. When we have the right position, I drill holes in soil to reach a proper depth. The machine I use is called earth auger. Cutting stills to the right size costs some energy, but it makes fun to do it by hand. The wood connection I make while steels are standing to make sure we have the right height. For its final fitting, I drill holes through the log and fix it with big screws. Make sure the soil is condensed around the pole. Because of limited tools, I use a thin rope to measure all will be level. I place all the rafters temporarily to further discuss with the owner how he wants it. After confirmation, I take one by one down and do the last fittings for the rafters. All the fittings together give stability to the constructions itself.
SK 得做得咁辛苦，梗係要煮啲好嘅嘢慰勞下佢啦。
Wow, very yummy, yay! Little bit cutting, a little bit work with chisel, and the handrail is finished too. I built this little Patagucci. So I built here a Tessina pergola. The owner would like to have more shade on this place. The owner bought also the wood already, so this was all here, but we made the wooden connection here and set up the whole little roof. And now the plants are growing over it. It will give nice shade in summertime. Camper life, but now so gone for today. Cheers!